personally, I think the best way is to really kind of take any of these indicators and start creating your own combination, things that you really enjoy and really want to start with, because you can always test it. That's the idea. You can test it to see how it works for you. But there's some classic indicator combinations too, so let's talk about that to give you some ideas and maybe how some thoughts thinking about how you might want to use those or put others together in your own, your very own, that you've learned in the course. So let's say you've got something, maybe if you're using something like moving averages, and there's a lot of different choices of moving averages as we learned, and then you combine that with an RSI and MACD, that very common type thing, almost defaults on a lot of chart patterns. So when you go look at defaults, they'll set up that way, or certainly with candlestick patterns or candlestick things on a chart with an RSI maybe above the chart and an MACD below the chart, and you'll kind of see those all together. And you can make any one of them the primary. You would see more candlestick patterns, for example, but maybe RSI, because it's easy to read, you'd see that as a primary. But you can, kind of make either one the primary or secondary, and really any of these typically. Maybe like moving average crossovers, when they're crossing over each other, for example, and so you want to add something